Hey my friends, this is Aaron. Nice to meet you here. Today I'm coming here to teach you how to solve the folding traces problem. For some of our customers, when they received our flower wall with 4 pieces design, they find a big problem is that the folding traces problem. So it will make our flower look worse than before. So today I'm coming here to teach you how to solve this problem. Okay, the first step you will find is that some flowers get squeezed heavily, and the first step you need to fold the branch back to its original position and make the flowers towards the people, and so that it can look better than before. Okay, after setting the flower wall up, you will find some flowers get heavily squeezed due to the long-distance transportation. Here are some tips for solving this problem. You can hold the squeezed flower and pinch it lightly with your fingers. Stretch the petal out gently with your thumb to make it look more natural and smooth. After pinching, heat the flower with your hair dryer at an appropriate temperature. Then the squeezed flower can recover permanently.
How do you fix all of the flowers on your flower wall after a tight package like this? Well, flowers are squished, as you can see, and they're not looking pretty. We need to help bounce them back. Solution is easy. You grab yourself a hair dryer and start heating up your flowers. After heating up the flowers, roll them in between the palms of your hands to help them reach their original shape, and look how pretty flowers are. Some of the flowers don't require for you to roll them in between the palms of your hands. They just bounce back after blowing hot air, and look how pretty the wall is.